Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from BrameshTechAnalysis.com, and in this video we'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for the coming week. As you can see in this chart, this is the chart of Nifty, and we can see like Nifty has almost rallied from this low of 10,790 to this high of 12,022. We have rallied almost 1232 points in almost 12 trading sessions, which is one of I would say great run on we have seen on the Lal Street. So now we are standing at a crucial juncture. So after this big rise, generally market tends to give you a small dip and more of a time correction. So we have an important planet, Mars, which generally causes a lot of volatility in the market. It is going in opposition with the sun, and whenever that happens, you tend to see another good trend which is establishing in the market. So let me explain you that. So this is the chart of Nifty, and I will draw a planet, I mean, uh, an aspect between Mars and Sun. So I'm selecting here Mars, and Mars is going opposite, so which is 180-degree with Sun. So Sun is the king of all the planets, and Mars, which causes lot of volatility in the market. Whenever these kind of aspect happens, we tend to see a good move in the market. So you can see here, this has happened today. So first, let's see whether this particular aspect is working fine, or how it is working. So the previous year when it happened was somewhere here, and from there you can see a good trend got established. This low was never breached, and from here we got a good trend in the market, and a good 2 to 3 days a good trending move. Let's go back a little bit and see what is happening. Again, see here, the next day it made a bottom, and from there we had 3 4 days of good trending moves. So there are a lot of aspects which forms between lot of planets. Every day there is certain aspects, but as a trader, as a financial from financial astrology perspective, we tend to look at important aspects which used to give big moves in the past, and which we can use it because now we have weekly expiry. So if you get even a 100 to 150 trending points trending move, you can make a good money in options. So similarly, you can see here again, a kind of bottom was established here and a good trending move was seen. And I'll take one more example. So this particular aspect happens once in a while only, and see here again a trending move of which lasted for 3 to 4 trading sessions. So eventually, as we have seen from our back testing, this particular aspect works really nice. So basically now today there are two important things. One is we have found an inside bar pattern, and the range was also quite small today. So technically, if we breach the low 10,867 on downside, so we should see a good move of at least 100 to 150 points on downside. And if we breach 11,000 11,990, then we should go up all the way towards 12,075 range. So technically we are ready for a 100 to 150 points move in next 2 to 3 trading sessions in Nifty. So this is the minimum which I'm expecting. Now if I look at I'll give you a very important. Now whenever these big trending moves are formed in the market, you tend to see a good, you can find like when we are leading to a big correction. So you can see here I've drawn, this is an hourly chart of Nifty, and from the low of 10,790, you can see whenever we had a correction in the market, it lasted maximum 125 to 150 points. So this is 125 points. I marked these ranges. I'm just looking. So from this top we corrected till here, so it was another 125 points, another 125 points. We got 3 4 small correction. Now we have broken this change. So we were technically correcting more than 125 points in every dip which we saw in this rally, and from this low till this high, from this high until this low, we have corrected more than 150 points. So which shows that this uptrend is coming to an end. So now, once this low and high get reached, so if this low of 11,867 or high of 1222, whichever side it get breached, you will technically see 150 to 200 points move easily in the market. So watch out for these two levels. And even if I see the supply and demand analysis, so this is a supply and demand analysis of Nifty. You can see here if this low get breached 11,791 and below that at least 666 and 11,600 are the levels which I'm watching out on upside. If 11,990 to 12,000 is breached, then 12,100, 132 and 12,206, these are the levels which are good on upside. Similarly, if I look the same thing for Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty also had a very nice rally, and if I can show you the aspect of Bank Nifty also. Yeah, so this is where the Bank Nifty aspect is also getting formed, and I'll just show you how it has performed previously. You can see here from this top, it didn't perform so well here. It was kind of whipsaw here. So we'll go back. Yeah, so almost a bottom from there, almost 500 to 600 points in Bank Nifty. I'll take one more example. Again, see here, it formed a top, and from there we had a good fall. So this aspect is working really nice. So watch out. And for Bank Nifty again, see here, it has reacted from Gann angle resistance, which I published on my daily analysis, and even 200-day moving average is lying here. So probably if this low, around 23,400 is getting breached, then we are heading all the way towards 23,000 to 22,950, where the support lies. On upside, best is to go long about today's high, which is around 23,800 for a move to 24,000. And if this hike also get breached, then we can easily see a good rise till 25,000 odd levels. So this is what I'm observing for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. It looks interesting times are coming ahead. So we can see some good volatile moves in the market. So, get ready to, I mean, trade with discipline, trade with proper risk management, stay safe, stay healthy, and wishing you guys the best. Thank you very much.